De nada.
All right, Chico, welcome. We're gonna check out another apartment here. We're gonna look at the amenities first. The beautiful pool. Nice outdoor area, very nice. Welcome. We're here in Cancun, Mexico. Go ahead, babe. Yeah, very nice. Very nice. Oh. Ah, okay. Is there a gymnasium here?
Gimnasio también, sí. Gimnasio, ya. Gimnasio, sí, el gimnasio está.
Okay, we did determine there is a gym, but we're just not sure where it is. So there's 3 pools here, though. Beautiful outdoor area. This is in a little gated area all by itself. So let's go check out the apartment. It's nice too. Very nice.
La pintura es naranja, sin embargo, se puede cambiar.
Very nice. Nice kitchen. Big, muy grande. Nice fridge. 6-burner gas stove. Dual sinks. Lots of counter space. Lots of cupboard space. And here's your little water closet. Just a 1 AC unit in here. Hot water on demand. So no wash machine. Very nice though. Quite a bit bigger actually than the other ones. Very nice. So we'll get the particulars in a bit. It's cool in here. Oh, muy grande. Big bedroom. We got the thing for the TV there. There's AC in here. Closet space. You got the water closet here. And your baños here. Rustic. Okay, well that's it for bedroom number 1. Oh, big beds. That's muy grande. So bedroom 2. Small AC in here. There's your bathroom. Very nice. So 2 bathrooms, 2 bedrooms. Nice. Internet. The internet's fiber optic? Fiber optic?
Yeah. ¿De Wi-Fi?
Sí. Oh.
The monthly is additional for the service.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Ah. Huh, nice view here. Nice view of the city. Huh, interesting. Very cool. Okay, well that was... Couch is nice. Looks like the TV fell. Guess we're gonna go take a look at one more over in this complex. This is pretty much exactly the same, a little bit different of a layout. I think there was a hood fan in the other one. This one's got the microwave. Stool here. Oh, we got a wash machine in this one, and hot water on demand. And there's a wash machine. Nice kitchen. I like all the counter space. Is nice. Very nice. Oh, you got a little workstation. So there's a workstation here. Nice. Not much of a balcony, but that's okay. That's it, little tiny balcony. Won't go up there. This one's nicer shape. Yeah. This one is definitely nicer than the other one. Fixed up nicer. AC up there. You got the nice built-in closet here. Very nice. Nice bedroom. Yeah, this one is way nicer. No TV in this one, but no big deal. We don't need a TV. We have one. The furnishings are nicer for sure. Everything is nicer. This one's set up. You have to shower. Yeah, it's even cleaner too. Yeah, this one is much nicer. Much nicer. Okay, so this is the master bedroom with the ensuite. Very nice. Not much of a view, but whatever. Okay. And here's the spare bedroom with 2 beds. 2 little single beds, alright. And it's got closet space in here as well. Oh, there's no AC in this bedroom though. Oh no, there it is, up there. There's the AC. Okay. Okay. There's a little repair job there. Probably doing some work. Oh, they're redoing the bathroom in here. Okay. So this bathroom is getting redone. Looks like nice. Okay, got some construction going on. Oh, looks like they're doing some repair. Okay, cool. Very nice. Alright, so these places are 16,000 pesos. Again, nothing included. So pretty pricey for what you get. The outdoor pool area is nice. The second one is obviously way nicer. Most definitely, so vámonos. Okay, these places here are pretty new. These are new units. There's a little gym over here. Very nice, I like it. Oh, you got the washer and dryer. But the fridge is... no room for cerveza. Where do I put the cerveza? No room for beer. Yeah, no room for cerveza, Coca-Cola. Yeah, small little fridge. Well, it's a half a fridge. Okay, so here's your water closet is here.
Aquí les van a comprar un colchón nuevo. O sea, le van a poner colchón nuevo.
Here's the baño. Here's the bedroom. Oh. Okay. Got a closet here. Oh, for some reason there's no power.
There's no power.
Okay.
Somebody didn't pay the power bill. There you got the AC, got a nice big bed, nice closet. Oh, the power's probably turned off because they're moving out, right? So and there's your balcony, very nice. Nice view of the parking lot. TV's in here. Okay, very nice, very nice. Small little place, that's all right.
Es un fraccionamiento prácticamente nuevo. Son de los más nuevos.
Okay.
Y pues los muebles incluidos. Pues eso ya pero las camas tienen muy buenos colchones. Y aparte van a tener el nuevo, ¿no? Sí.
Okay. Oh, there's a pantry here too. Okay. Okay, so here's the pool, and we're gonna look at one more quickly. And like I say, there's a little tiny gym here, so we're not gonna bother looking at that. It's just, it's a gym. She said it's small, but they do have a gym, so that's all that matters. There's probably a treadmill and some weights in there. But yeah, this is a nice area. Nice outdoor area here, covered. Nice pool. A pool that I don't have to clean. Yeah, these are nice. Okay, perfecto. Beautiful. Outdoor shower. Bathrooms on the other side. We got bathrooms and shower down here as well. Little kids play area. Excellent. So these are 13.5 for that one we just looked at. 13,500 pesos. And again, nada, nothing included. So let's go have a look at this one. All right, my friend, we just got to get some lights turned on here, but let's have a quick look at the kitchen. I love all the counter space. Comes with a coffee pot, which is always a bonus. As far as breaks, we have a backup, and the gas stove I absolutely love. Oh, and this one has this spray wand at the sink. I like that. The hood vent is always handy to have for sure. Get the fish smell out when you're frying up those camarons. Oh, a nice fridge. This one's got a full-size fridge. Oh, there's lights. Okay. Washer, dryer. Got the hot water tank. Ah, see?
Okay.
Okay. Hallelujah. Praise Jesus. Praise Jesus, there's power. Yeah, this is nice. This is okay. Nice living area. I like that it's on the ground floor. You got the AC up there. You got your TV, everything, internet. Quickly look at the bathroom. The baño. Here's your water closets here. Very nice, very nice. That's okay. Here's your bathroom. Very good. Nice shower. I don't have to change that shower head. That's okay. Very nice, very nice. So this is 2-bedroom. Oh, nice built in here. Cool in here. The AC units are new. Well, this complex is new, she said, fairly new. So just a double bed here. Built-in closet. I like that. No end tables or anything, but dishes and stuff in here, babe. Oh, this is only a one. Oh, yeah, there's only one bathroom. One bathroom, 2-bedroom, 1 bath, AC. So that's it. Nice. This one's nice though. It's nicer. Got nice lighting in here. Yeah, that's okay. Very nice. Okay, yeah, this one is nicer for sure. That's much nicer. Okay. So I just looked, there is some dishes, some pots, not a lot, but there is some. And there's some cutlery in there. So this one's pretty nice. I like the kitchen. Very nice. So this one is 16,000. Well, it does have a tiny little deck off the kitchen, or the bedroom and the living room here. Had a brain freeze for a second there. Okay, and we did get the lights going, so that's a that's a bonus. And this one's better because you don't have 7 flights of stairs to climb up, you know, the ground floor. But this one is 16,000 versus 13. So, but there's no power at the other one, so I don't know what's going on over with that. So anyway, that's it. That's Vámonos. All right. Thanks for joining us today. We really appreciate it. God bless everybody out there. Peace on earth. And as always, be kind to one another. I hope you guys enjoyed these property tours here in Cancun, Mexico, Quintana Roo. That's it. That's all. Adios. Hasta luego.
Bye-bye.
Adios.
Adios.
That is just adorable.